Ayan, good evening po everyone at ngayong gabi naman po ay dadako naman po tayo sa math and science because some of our viewers po are suggesting or recommending na why not explore naman po tayo sa math and science. And of course, ang ngayong gabi ay pag-aaralan po natin yung mga fathers po, yung mga sikat na mga tao when it comes in the field of math and in the field of science. And without further ado, sisimulan po natin 'yan. And let's see kung paano po ninyo kilala yung mga sikat na tao po ito sa science at sa math. Bale, yung drill po natin dito, magpapakita po ako ng mga titles nila and you have 5 seconds to guess kung sino po yung taong ito at after that po ay i-reveal po natin yung answer. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Our first question, we have, sino po yung kilala bilang father of algebra? And the correct answer we have, Musa al-Khwarizmi. Second po tayo, fast drill po ito. The father of trigonometry. Our answer is, we have Hipparchus. Third, the father of analytical geometry. That is Descartes. René Descartes po. Next po tayo, the father of linear programming. We have George Dantzig. Next po, he is known for his contribution in the field of calculus. And that is Isaac Newton. Next po, the father of modern science. We have Galileo Galilei. Next, the father of geometry. Siya po ay si Euclid. The father of mathematics. We have Archimedes, the father of medicine. Siya po ay si Hippocrates. Next po, the father of Western philosophy. It's Socrates, the father of heredity. We have Gregor Mendel. Next po, he is known for his theory of relativity. Siya po ay si, of course, Albert Einstein. Next, he invented the printing press. Of course, it's Johann Gutenberg. Siya po yung nag-invent ng light bulb. Na siyang kilala rin natin, we have Thomas Edison. Next po tayo, kilala doon sa kanyang laws of gravity. It's Isaac Newton pa rin. Next, siya ay kilala doon sa kanyang pagka-discovery sa penicillin na siya ring lumalabas talaga sa board exam. We have Alexander Fleming. Next po, he invented the telephone. Siya ay si Alexander Graham Bell. Ang taong ito ay kilala sa kanyang theory of the planetary motion. We have, of course, si Kepler po yan. Next, he developed the first vaccine. It's Edward Jenner. Next po, he was the first to apply the telescope patent. It's Hans Lippershey. Si Galileo Galilei lang po kasi yung pinakaunang nag-explore po ng telescope because of his discoveries and exploration po doon po sa heavenly bodies. But the first to apply the telescope patent, it's Hans Lippershey po. Some other people considered Hans Lippershey as the inventor of the telescope. And of course, that ends our fast tip for tonight. Kung hindi po nyo nasabayan, balikan nyo lang po at saka itry nyo po ulit yung sarili nyo kung kaya nyo na pong sabayan at kapag nasagutan nyo na po lahat, congratulations po at I'm sure that you have an edge na po sa board exam. Comment your scores in the comment section and thank you and God bless future LPTs. Bye-bye!